This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in North Chesterfield. More specifically, I am off the Beach Road corridor. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath Cape. This home is situated here on a wooded lot. We are just over an acre. As you can see, we've got really good spacing between the homes. Not a whole lot of traffic comes through here as a result. Real quiet location. And we're going to take a look here on the side and the back, and then we're going to go inside. This is an active construction zone. We've got windows that are going in today, and we've got a couple workers that are doing that. I met them a few minutes ago, and we're just going to work right on around them and get a good idea of what this home has to offer. This is a complete rehab, so we've got new siding, we've got new roof, new dimensional roof. The kitchen looks great. We've got a side entry 2-car garage here in this home and a really cute little storage building here that looks like a mini house. Imagine if you were a 5-year-old, you would think that was the coolest thing, and it probably would not be used as a storage building if you had anything to say about it. A nice open backyard here, screen porch, and that is a Lennox heating and air system. That's a heat pump. Lennox is a really good manufacturer. All right, let's pop in here and take a look at this semi-finished storage room. I say it's semi-finished because we've got sheetrock. We don't really have any insulation here, but we do have electricity. So if somebody wanted to just go ahead and finish this off, you could really make it a really neat space. Really cute little addition here on the side of the house. Give a little character. Okay, we're gonna go in the front door so I can acclimate you to the actual floor plan. We've got aggregate sidewalk here. One thing that I wanted to mention was that if you are a subscriber, you saw my last video was actually a walkthrough and a settlement celebration. That's where we actually sign the paper and hand over the keys. Really, really nice family bought a home in Verina. And this, of course, is their first weekend there in that home. I got a call 2 days later, and the nice lady that called me, she said, hey, we saw that video, and those are our neighbors, actually, our former neighbors. And we've been watching you for a couple years, Max, and we decided that it's our turn to go ahead and become homeowners. So that really made me feel good to know that that video maybe inspired them to go ahead and make the move as well. When you think about it, why should you pay to put your landlord's child through college? And that's exactly what rental property does. In many cases, there are property owners, investors, that's how they put their kids through school, is by rental income on real estate. Not only do they have the income, but they also have the equity. And if they buy when Junior is a small child, typically they can sell when Junior becomes a high school senior, and that equity will definitely pay for part or even all of Junior's college education. So why should you give someone else that benefit when you could have it for yourself? Okay, we're of course in the garage here, 2-car garage. We've got an opener on one door, and our Lennox heat pump is over here in the corner as well. All right, we're gonna transition back in, go through our kitchen area. This looks like an engineered floor, really good condition, and our door going to our screened porch. I'm gonna open this up, I think. Pop out here real quick. We saw the screened porch, of course, from the exterior. And then we've got some unscreened portion of the deck and a little gazebo over there in the corner. Just really, really neat character. We're gonna see that little perch when we go upstairs to the second floor. All right, the focal point in our family room is this really, really nice stone fireplace. We've got, looks like gas logs there. There is a propane tank on the side, and that little cubby there is for your, actually it was for wood. This was probably originally wood burning, and they didn't converted it. Nice skylights, let in some natural light here into this home as well. And I'm sure you noticed we had that first floor bedroom. That could double as simply an office if it was not needed. That appears to be a brand new water heater, and our powder room here on the first floor as well. All right, we're transitioning into our kitchen. We've got a really bright kitchen. I really like the way they arranged these windows here on the corner. Your dinette would go right there under that light fixture. And so you could really see the back, the side, and the front of the home all here from this vantage point. And of course, we've got that wraparound porch as well. Just really, really well done. New cabinetry, nice deep double bowl sink. Stainless steel appliances, of course, do convey they appear to be brand new as well. That's the worker's lunch. He's got a banana, tuna fish, black beans. Look, apple has seen better days. That makes me feel really, really good about my personal diet, looking to see what he has for lunch. That would be our secret, though. Here he is. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing pretty good today. How you?
Hanging in there, thank you. We're just walking on through.
Mighty fine. Sorry to interrupt.
No problem, no problem. All right, I feel kind of bad because we're talking about his lunch and then boom, there he is. That'll be our secret, though. He'll never know. Okay, here to the right, we have our master. This home virtually has what appears to be almost two masters, and you'll see the other here momentarily. This is a really neat space here because you can come out on this perch, got a seat on that side, a seat on the other side, and if you just want to grab some air, this is a great place to do it. You can overlook the backyard, just really, really neat little feature. Plenty of space here in this master as well. A lot of light. I could see making this like a little reading nook over here with all these windows. You could, of course, see out to the front, the back, the sides, which is really unusual to be able to do that from a master bedroom. Little built-in bookshelf there, and of course our closet as well. We're going to go on through. This is going to be our master bath, and once again we have got the new flooring. Just a really neat looking master. We've got actually two sections to it, and look at that garden tub. We've got a nice deep garden tub there. Those new windows going on in. Oh, he's saying it's extreme. Look at that. It goes all the way up to his knees. Yeah. And you know what? I don't know if I should have done that. The ladies may not be paying attention to the tub and be checking out those legs. Back here we have our laundry as well.
Wait a second on that.
All right. A linen closet.
I'll tell you, I'm over the top of that.
There. And we're going over to the other side where we have our second large bedroom. I really like the two-story family room. You can look over into the lower level. We've got an ensuite bath for this bedroom as well, which is really neat. Fiberglass tub shower enclosure and a nice antique look vanity there. And the throne is, of course, in the corner. You've got plenty of storage here. Of course, a built-in there. And then here in this corner, you can actually put a storage unit, some shelves or something of that nature to give you some additional storage right there in that corner. We are now in that second master that I mentioned. We once again have the sliders going out to the little perch. Plenty of space here. We've got a nice high knee wall in this bedroom as well. Ceiling fan to move around some air. Wow, this has been a pretty long tour, and I hope you enjoyed what you have seen. Remember, homes like this can be part of the rent-to-own program, starting from $12.50 a month and up. If you're not quite ready to purchase, that may be a good alternative for you. If you or anyone else you know are interested in a home, my name is Max Williams, 402-7788, area code 804. On Facebook, I'm reached at Richmond Area Foreclosures. On YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.